I'm not gonna end up like you did, alright?
Straight up.
Oh, really?
Hey, tears for ODB, drug-induced poetry. What's the use? Strung out from that drug abuse. Woe is me. 80s baby, so I know my pops was getting high. In the 90s, me and mama barely getting by. 2000s, I was concentrating more on getting fly, getting bitches, getting rich to get the shit I couldn't buy. You know the story, you know my allegory. I was sent from heaven with a set of horns. They better warn y'all, I'm here for more than just to kick some witty metaphors, dawg. This more the type of shit you spit to set a war off. Cause niggas be po, get money that still don't know why the fuck they can't cop a house. The system meant to lock us out, but I'm knocking down the door, strapped up with a fofo. Robin Hood shit, and yeah, I'm hood rich. That's good enough to stay in new kicks and a good whip. Get good head from a good bitch. I give two shits, I'ma tell you straight up. Straight up. Straight up. Hey, any chance I'ma take it. Rather die before I fake it. They say life is what you make it, bitch, but I'm just trying to make it straight up.
The Lord didn't put you here to be shooting and killing each other.
I don't think God really cares too much about us. Well, he wouldn't have put us here. I mean, look where we stay at.
Lord have mercy on my soul. What I've done and what I've seen, my life has tumbled into that which only you could intervene. I put my heart in senseless things, money, bitches, and street shit. Fascinated by beef, sad to say I won't be shit. Grew up in this bitch without a pot to piss, no toilet. How ironic, I took a lot of shit, like a bottom bitch or a model chick. High off coke, they locking sons up for less. I don't care how y'all cope, but yet I still peddle this dope in these pills. I never know how sitting comfy on that Oprah seat feels. More than likely be on most wanted posters. We still holding on to old dreams of being Hova. Be real, we the forgotten souls, bottom of the totem poles. Left for dead, some niggas fled. People say they sold their souls. I just think they found a better way. Lord knows I never prayed, but sometimes I be wishing I could levitate. I take it straight up.
I was hoping that maybe you would come with me.
Came with you.
Yeah, I mean, you ain't doing jack shit here. And the way that I see it, you'll be dead or you'll be in jail.
Straight up. Straight up. Hey, any chance I'ma take. Rather die before I fake it. They say life is what you make it, bitch, but I'm just trying to make it straight up.
Tonight we got a couple of the pro fighters fighting tonight at Atlas Fight Night, Canggu. Got my guy Oscar up there. He's fighting tonight, he's getting prepared. We got some champs up there. Hey man, this gym is one of the only gyms where you're cheering shoulder to shoulder with pros, UFC champions, etc. man. This is a very unique gym. But we're about to hit the sauna, the ice bath, you feel me? I hit it yesterday, but I'm gonna hit it again. Today, honestly, I got the camera. You know what I'm saying? So I didn't get the document last time. But I love the sauna and ice bath, but I just be tired, boss. But we're gonna go get it in, get some meditation in, get some ice bath in, and then we got a long day. It's still early. That's why I love waking up early in the morning. Alright, about to take these wraps off and get into this breakfast. You know, when I eat, a lot of the times I like to watch YouTube, to be honest. Right now, you know, you gotta tap in. Hold up, we gonna be back. So right now I'm listening to, is this Man to Man? Yeah, this is Man to Man, not high level, but I'm listening to Man to Man by 19 Keys, Steve Jones, and Mike Rashid. And one of the things, I mean, this is a fire episode all around, but one of the things that they're just talking about is the whole Dior situation where they pay $52 and they get $2,500 for their bags, right? And their perspective on it, well, Keys' perspective, hey man, if you're not tapped in with 19 Keys, I'm telling y'all right now, bro never fails to like his answers and his mindset and his perspective and his knowledge and wisdom, bro, it's unmatched, bro. But basically what he was explaining is like, it's the thing about black folks, right, is we love luxury, right? And the way that this started, what he explained is back in slavery, there's this woman who basically black people will buy these European brands to increase their status, right? We wanted to feel accepted and a part of the Eurocentric culture, right? Or just be deemed as more valuable. And the same thing happens today, right? That's why we're, you know, black folks is wearing Dior, Versace, yada yada, right? Because we feel like that puts us up here, and you know, our peers are down here, right? We are wearing the Dior, we are wearing Paris, French, whatever. And he also talked about how it's not how much they put into the product itself, but what they put into the branding, right? You can have these headphones right here. These are fantastic headphones that I bought from Thailand for 20 bucks, right? But if you put a B for Beats by Dr. Dre, they now become $400 headphones, right? So it just talks about the power of branding, right? And the power of also investing in that brand's image, right? Just because Dior pays $52 for the product, they spend millions of dollars on not necessarily advertising, but branding, right? The events that they're having, I think he said it's like just different things, right? Millions of dollars in the branding of who's wearing it, and you know what I'm saying, boat shows, and just keeping this up-class luxury scale, and how it's not a problem, but because the thing is, black people is gonna continue to buy luxury goods, right? We love the luxury goods. We love, that's just who we are, right? We love the gold, we love the jewelry, we love the diamonds, it's in our DNA. So what we need to do is we actually need to construct our own luxury brands. What luxury brands do you know that are black owned? It's fucked up. It really is. It's fucked up. What luxury brands in France are black owned? Do you know some luxury brands that are black owned? Black owned. It's fucked up. No Dior, no Versace, no black-owned luxury brands. It's insanity. And how much money we spend on these luxury brands? It's a fucked up program they got us under, bruh. Up to us to free ourselves, man. Fuck.
Straight up. That niggas gotta learn something. 2012, nigga. Y'all niggas still killing yourself. You don't know by now, nigga.
You can't think about it. You gotta just go. Ready? Yeah, go. Back. I usually go like a minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, or 30 second, 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute. First set is the worst, second set easier. My toes get so numb, it's crazy. Yesterday I was in this bath at the same time. It was 11:11, right now it's 11:10. I'm telling y'all, my toes, they just cramp. If you've never been in an ice bath, you gotta try it. It feels so good, it's rejuvenating, but your toes and your ankles and everything, it just locks up. It locks up. And then we got the jiu-jitsu up there. You see they got open mat up there, you feel me? A whole lot of good vibes. Alright, now food and cafe. Gotta get some work done. Fight tonight. Heard to get there early because it's gonna be packed. So y'all stay tuned for the rest of the day. It's lit. Alright, shower time. So honestly, I didn't sweat that much. I brought extra pants, but I didn't sweat that much. And I think I'd rather wear these pants than these pants, even though I worked out in them, but I didn't sweat that much. Plus it's hot outside.
Straight up. The top piece, can I do that?